If you want to know how to put on the Breg Polar Care Wave pads, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click on that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery or an injury or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do you properly use the cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way how to do this end to end. And once we're done, I'm going to show you the #1 trick to make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do this? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Breg Polar Care Wave pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. Now we're going to show you how to apply the Breg Polar Care Wave knee pad. This application is the same for the regular knee and the large knee. There's a 3-inch difference between the pads, and the way to tell which one you need is to measure 6 inches above your kneecap. If you're 27 inches circumference or more, you should get the large. Anything below that, get the standard. And as you see, these pads do not require a sterile dressing, but always check with your doctor on how to check your skin for signs of redness or irritation. So we're going to apply the pad. You're going to make sure the top half goes above the kneecap, the bottom half goes below, and your hose should be pointed downward. Once you've got this in place, we're going to first fasten the top strap. Then we're going to bring the bottom one around and fasten it. And you can always adjust this to make it looser or tighter depending on your need. Once you've done that, take your hose from the cooler to connect to the hose on the pad. And on the Wave hoses, they have arrows. You're going to want to make sure these arrows match up. They should both be on the top before you connect. Once you've made sure of that, connect, you'll hear it click into place. Then you're ready to plug in your cooler and begin your therapy.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comments section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.